Electronics Pilot Factory is known also brand name PrintoCent Pilot Factory. We can offer companies an open access for world-class manufacturing infrastructure. It has various roll-to-roll manufacturing processes for your product development. And the newest process Ginolis provides is roll-to-roll compatible dispensing system for bioactive materials. In developments for new concepts for disposable diagnostics, which could be manufactured in future based on roll-to-roll processes, the key issue is to be able to dispense very accurate and small amount of biosensitive material. I would recommend Ginolis because of world-class pump technology, flexible service and the verification processes. The cooperation with Ginolis has been really great because we both are innovative companies. If the company is looking for world-class integrated production lines, they should contact Ginolis.
For more information about our automation and dispensing solutions,